Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer application from Android to Android. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and if you want to transfer application, we can use the Google Play Store application. Just go to your Google Play Store and then you have to go to your profile. You can click on the profile button on the top right and you can select the manage apps and device. Okay, and since we want to transfer application, we can choose send to share application from this device. Okay, and then you can choose the application you want to transfer. For instance, I'm just going to select my Google Sheets application and my Canva application. Then we can click on the send button and you can ask the receiver to go to the receive apps in Google Play and their device will show up here. And right after the device has appeared on your screen, you just need to click on the device and then the transferring process will be started automatically. Alright guys, and that's how we can transfer application from Android to Android. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.